welcome back. I cannot wait to share with you a set of videos that I found on my cell phone. I meant to make it in a video, was it 9 months ago, when I remodeled my studio. So here it is from beginning to end, the process that we went through to remodel this space. I only have my minimal things that I need. I still probably have extra stuff in here, but hope you guys enjoy, and it's something that maybe gives you a little inspiration. My son and I are about to go in the studio and start moving things out to prepare for a brand new studio that has better brightness and lighting and makes me feel more cheerful while I'm in there, except today is a huge allergy day for me. And here, the reason I'm doing this is I really needed to repaint my black wall, and it occurred to me that I have never liked the color of my studio because it absorbs all the light. So we're going to move all this stuff out, and then tomorrow we'll decide whether we're going to put drywall up or we're going to actually paint it all white.